An incubation period refers to the time it takes from the point a person is infected with a disease to the moment they begin showing symptoms. Now we will take a look at the incubation periods for the diseases of West Nile virus, avian flu, influenza, and SARS. Influenza is often simply referred to as the common flu. The incubation period is usually 2 to 3 days. The disease can last a week, but a victim is only contagious during the first 3 days of infection. Influenza is more common in adolescents and the elderly, and also in pregnant women. Ethnicity does not play a huge factor in being infected with influenza, but studies have shown that vaccines for influenza are more effective in African Americans. Avian flu is an example of an emerging disease, or a disease that has just recently started to infect humans. Even so, scientists already know that it has deadly potential. Many animals have their own influenza, but humans are not susceptible to it. H5N1, one form of avian flu, has one of the longest incubation periods of known diseases. The incubation period of H5N1 can last 1 to 2 weeks. Since it is not yet that common in humans, scientists do not know whether ethnicity, age, or gender plays a factor in being infected. If avian flu evolves into a strain that is spread to humans and between humans very easily and quickly, then it would be extremely frightening because no one would be immune to it. It is estimated that the whole world could be infected within 6 months. SARS, an acronym for Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, has an incubation period of 2 to 7 days. It is an emerging disease. The first case was reported less than 10 years ago, and scientists do not know if ethnicity, age, or gender plays a vital role in the infection or immunization of SARS. It has been hypothesized that people diagnosed with diabetes or asthma are more prone to SARS than other people. There was a major outbreak of SARS in Asia, but it has not been determined whether or not ethnicity was a factor in that outbreak or not. SARS victims are only contagious when they have symptoms of the disease, and never before then. West Nile virus is a disease humans receive from mosquitoes that has an incubation period ranging from 3 to 14 days. Even though we get this virus from such a small animal, it has killing potential. Mosquitoes can also pass this virus on to birds and horses. This is significant because both of these animals have their own strain of influenza, but it cannot be passed on to humans. If West Nile virus were to mix with either one of these two animals' influenza, humans would be susceptible to this new strain and no one would be immune to it. Once again, ethnicity, age, and gender have not been proven to play a factor in who gets the virus and how it affects them. The 4 diseases we just covered are not the nastiest or most vile diseases out there, but they definitely should not be overlooked. Scientists have made little progress on immunization to these diseases, and the next epidemic could be looming just around the corner.